Hi guys, welcome to Hardreset Info channel. Today I have ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when games not visible on your Google Play Store on this device. When you search your game as Mobile Legends, as Call of Duty or Fortnite games, but you can download it. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu and tap on our photo on the right corner, where we have settings selection. In it, family and parental controls. Now we have page 3. To install game as Mobile Legends games, Teamfight Tactics, Call of Duty, we need page 16, 18 or old page. To change it, we press that. Now we must enter our connect pin to our parental control and tap on page 16, confirm by uninstalled and save. That's all. We can go back to the main menu and try to search Mobile Legends games. And now it is visible, we can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!